Uh, if animation prank or
Eh,
sound.
Hello, dear viewer. See, you understand what is space, how the space is evolved, and we all, in from childhood to old age, we all bustle about what is this, and everyone has got their own viewpoint. But according to my way of thinking, is space is enormous. You cannot imagine the space. And always I think space is the permanent and everything is changeable. And of course there are billion and billions of stars there, everywhere it is been spreaded like anything. But you have to, one thing you should understand, at least we a human being able to understand what is this. There are a lot of species available, maybe in earth, maybe in somewhere, but they may not able to think and thought also. So the nature is given a way to think and thought process is going on to understand what is this. And moreover, I like to, we must thankful to our human extinction that we are able to see all the planets, stars from microscope, telescope, all the scopes, and with our hopes we are able to see. And however, we are still unable to exactly say what it is, how it has been established, how it has been seen. See, there are theory, they say is black hole theory, and there are theory they say everything burst out then become, all the spaces coming out, there are two molecules or join and burst, and lot of carbon dioxide, carbon, all these molecules are being rotating everywhere. So these are all the theories. But fact, what is fact? I feel the fact is maybe the giant planet, giant universe are being crashed, and then it has been into many planets everywhere. It is available like Earth, Moon, and everywhere. Why it is been there? Why we are there in that? There is only one thing you should understand. The beginning, it's only starting with small, then it is become bigger, then it is coming to small, then it is going to be bigger. So it is happening. See, for example, if you take even ice cube also, it is like this, and if you break it, it is become liquid, solid into liquid, liquid into vapor. It is a process like that. I feel like earth and other thing also, sometimes it is become solid, something it is become liquid, sometimes it is been exhaustible. So like that it is, the process changing everywhere. That time when we taste water, some taste will be there. When you take ice cube, the taste will be different. When you vapor, it will be different. Small difference we can able to see. Similarly, the earth, moon, other planetary system and globe and universe, all into those stages. Sometimes it has become solid, sometimes it has become liquid, sometimes it has become vapor. So it's as it is as simple as it we imagine. So, but I do understand, I do respect all the scientists. They have been used to invest and their money, energy, time, and they're able to find out so many things. That is really good. But as a people, as a common people, we should think, understand whatever the scientific invention is being invented by the scientists, and we are able to understand the things which is beyond our limit, and they are able to thinking and they want to prove something. But I don't think it is easy and possible to understand the whole system, because it is all beyond our thought process. But still there is a way, there is a will, there is a way. So similarly, the scientists, the world, and even the common people are waiting to see what is happening, what is going to happen, and I'm sure we must think only simple way. See, there is one thing is called black hole theory. In that, everything it absorbs. When we that absorbs means it's crash everything into its fold. And next, if you crash and something is beyond that something will be available. So that is even see sun is for us it's a very big planet, but you see universe is very bigger than the sun, in the sense lot of stars bigger than the sun, and those things are not very small to the black hole. That means you imagine how the black hole is so big and imaginary. This type of black holes available so many. So imagine unimaginable things you can able to find out all these things. So even the Earth itself we think it's big, and Mars is multiple times bigger. Sun is bigger than everything in our planetary system, but that is very small for the other stars. That when you see how big the universe, how big the other universe, how big is the black hole. So the imagination goes on like this. So be happy to understand all these facts. We feel our thinking or in the right direction. So we want what is this? Why is all happening? It's all happening because it's all happened because everything designed for something, and it goes on like that. Okay, so we all the witness, we all the able to see all these things very nicely, whatever possible way we can able to understand. We don't know our grandchildren may be knowing better. Even their grandchildren maybe know better than what they know. So this all cycle learning, never end. It goes on like this. Thank you very much for your patience listening on this. Thank you.